This is a review for solving equations in two steps or two-step equations. Solve each equation, check your solution. For number 1 is -9 times the parentheses x minus 4 equals 81. So I'm going to start doing my vertical line here and getting rid of the -9 by dividing -9 in both sides, because -9 is multiplying, so I'm going to do the opposite operation. This cancels out and I have as a leftover x minus 4 equals 81 divided by 9, that is -9. Now I have this new equation. The second step is going to be to eliminate the -4 here, so I'm going to add 4, opposite operation, and then this cancels out. -4 and 4, I have x equals -9 minus plus 4 is going to be -5. This is my answer for the first one. And the second one, I have 2/3 multiplying x plus 13 equals 22. To get rid of the 2/3, I'm going to multiply by the reciprocal, meaning by this 3/2. This fraction flipped over. Both sides, remember, 3 divided by 2. In this case, the 3 and the 3 cancel, 2 and 2 cancel. I have leftovers the x plus 13 equals 22 times 3 over 2. But I can put a 1 under the 22, and I can divide 22 divided by 2. That is going to give me 11, and I still have to multiply it times 3. So I'm going to have x plus 13 equals 11 times 3, that is 33. In this new equation, I have to eliminate the 13 by subtracting 13 both sides. Okay, this goes away and I have x equals 33 minus 13 is going to be 20 for my second exercise. Let's see number 3. Solve this equation and check the solution. In this case, the -5 is multiplying the parentheses, so what I'm going to do is do the opposite operation. I'm going to divide by -5, divide by -5 both sides, so this eliminates, and I have x minus 10 equals the division, 35 divided by 5, that is going to be +7. To eliminate the 10 or the -10, I'm going to add 10 both sides, add 10 both sides. Okay, so this goes away, and x equals 10 plus 7 is going to be 17 for my third exercise. For exercise number 4, we have 6/11 times the group x plus 5. So we're going to have to eliminate the 6/11, we're going to have to multiply by the reciprocal, meaning 11 over 6. Remember, in both sides, 11 over 6. So this 6 goes away, the 11 goes away, and I have leftovers x plus 5. X plus 5 equals, let's work a little bit here. 6 over 6, they cancel out because it's 1, and 1 times 11 is 11, so this is going to be 11. Let's get rid of the 5 by subtracting 5, this side and this side. Okay, so this goes away, and x equal 11 minus 5 is 6. Let's go to number 5 now. This is very similar. 9/10 times the group x plus 8 equals 18. To get rid of the 9/10, I have to multiply both sides by 10 over 9. 10 over 9, I'm multiplying. The 9 goes away, the 10 goes away, and I have leftovers x plus 8. X plus 8 equals 18 times 10 over 9. Now 18 divided by 9 is 2. And then this 2, I'm going to have to multiply by 10 times 10. So I'm going to have x plus 8 equals 2 times 10 is 20. And I have a new equation I have to solve for x. Let's get rid of the 8. Since the 8 is adding, I'm going to subtract 8 both sides. And this goes away. And when I add, I have leftover x equals 20 minus 8 is going to be 12. For number 6, Madison and her sister received the same amount of money to go out to eat. Each girl spent $13. After lunch, the girls had a total of $4. Write and solve an equation to find the amount of money each girl received initially. So this is going to be my unknown, my variable, my incognita, I'm going to call x. Okay, so the amount they receive initially is going to be x. So Madison received x amount of money, and her sister received the same amount of money, meaning also they receive x. So x plus x is the amount of money both girls received. Now each girl spent $13, so I'm going to subtract the amount they spent. Madison spent 13 and her sister another 13. Okay, so this is the amount spent. It's going to give me now what they have left, total of $4. So this is the amount, initial amount, initial. This is what they spent, and this is the leftovers. Okay, so initial amount minus what they spent gives me what they have now, $4. So let's start doing the numbers here. I know that x plus x is going to be 2x, minus 13 plus 13 is going to be 26, equals 4. And I have my equation here. I'm going to solve for x now. So I do the line. I'm going to get rid of the 26 by adding 26 here. I add it up, 26 goes away, and I have a leftovers 2x equals 26 plus 4 is 30. Then I have to get rid of the 2 here that is multiplying the x, so I'm going to divide by this 2. Both sides, divide by 2, they cancel out here, and x equals 30 divided by 2, that is 15. Okay, so 15 is going to be the amount of money each girl received in the beginning. So Madison received 15 and her sister 15, total of 30.